Okay, let's continue on here with number 11 and 12. Now these are both from the same section, and you actually got quite a few questions that are just like these. And the directions here say to find the absolute value. Remember, the absolute value is the distance a number is from 0 on the number line, or if you need to think of it in a simpler way, how many jumps away it is from 0 on the number line. So where we've got negative 18 there, that would be 18 jumps away from 0 on the number line. So the answer here is 18. Similarly, with question 12, where they're asking us to find the absolute value of 11, that's 11 jumps away from 0 on the number line. So the answer there is 11. I want you to notice here that both of these answers have one thing in common. They are positive. Absolute value always comes out as a positive solution. Again, think about what I'm saying. It's a distance. Distance is always positive. It doesn't matter which direction I go. The number of jumps I take is always going to be a positive number. So you want to make sure that you're writing positive answers there for absolute value. Don't fall into the common mistake land here. The mistake is, I want to say it's the opposite. It's not the opposite. It's always the positive. Okay, you've got two story problems to finish here. So question 23 said, Christy dove to a depth of 12 feet below the surface of the water. Write the depth as an integer. So she's 12 feet below sea level type idea is what you want to think at. So ground is 0. And let's pretend we're at a beach here. So let's say I build a sand castle that's 2 feet tall, and then I go stand on it. Well, I'm no longer on the ground. I'm 2 feet above the ground. All right? And I can increment up any way I want. You want me to build a taller sand castle, I can. But what I want you to see here is that this is a number line. All right? This way here, when I got on my sand castle, I was going up. Well, she went below the ground, below the water, so that means she's going down here. All right, and how far down did she go? She went 12 feet below the sea level here. So if these are positives going up, these obviously have to be negatives going down. So I took that number line that I'm so used to that goes left to right, and I flipped it so it went up and down. And so here, she's at 12, but again, it's down, so that's got to be a negative number. So my answer here to number 23 is negative 12.